Hello everyone! With all the postponement, confusion, and the questions on everyone's mind, is it even happening anymore? Well, the answer is finally here. Mutsu and Naga Welfare Manipur University proudly present the Tribal Week 2026. Kicking things off on Monday, May 11th is Cultural Day in the esteemed presence of Sri Janghemlung Phanmei, MLA Tamenglong AC, and Professor Sumitra Panjaubang, VC in charge, Manipur University. Then Wednesday comes the Literary Day, Wisdom Session graced by the Chief Guest Aungbo Nyumai, MLA Damai AC, and Guest of Honor Rang Peter IS Director, Tribal Affairs and Tribal Research Institute. And just when you think it's all brains and books, stay tuned for the Tribal Musical Night hosted by me. The lineup is classified for now, but trust me, it is going to be iconic. And from Thursday to Saturday, it's game time. Competitive modes on, tribe versus tribe energy. Expect fierce competition, roaring crowd, and champions in the making. So clear your schedule, charge your phones, prepare your outfit, and be there. Let the games begin.